Hi.
Ano lang?
Hi.
Ay.
Sige, kita eh.
Part-time mo si Pia?
Oo, full time ko.
Full time.
Summer, init.
Yan, hindi prano pa nagka-ulan.
Kaya lang alag niya susulayo natin.
Libot lang.
Direk.
Ano sa ito? Kaya boy. Libot na to sa libot ang itala to mag.
Karoon na lang pero pa pasunod ko dito. Kaya lang na tulong nga pa na dito. Karoon lang naman sa inyo. Tarig bagay hangin, di mapalid ni. Wala kayo hangin eh. Tara na.
May haon kabad. May haon kabad.
Tema.
Here comes the bride.
Welcome.
Transado na price kung sa FS keeper of all things be here. I have tomorrow to look forward to.
Okay, basa ka.
Has given me you to have and to hold, to cherish.
Later.
Hindi ako kasi magkain lang. Kasi ako dyan.
Sam. This is not the beginning of a relationship, but an acknowledgement of the next chapter in their lives together. Ma'am Shaira and Sir Sam have spent years getting to know each other, and we now bear witness to what their relationship has become. Today, we will affirm this bond formally and publicly. Palakpakan natin ng Ginoo. Please remain standing. Let us
love that has bound our hearts and live together in the spiritual fellowship of marriage. I will love, honor, and cherish you always. Through all the uncertainties and trials of life, I vow to be faithful to you and love you, so that together we may grow in the likeness of Christ. I will be your navigator and sidekick in all of life's adventures. I will support you in all of your dreams and career, together with our future children someday. And I will be here with you and for you forever and always. I love you, Sam.
Tinip mo ba? Alright. Tinip pambalaw. Finally, makasawa na gitman ko. Nagidugay ng pangita ko, mga habi ko, malaon ko. Pero may ginaman ng Ginoo para sa ako. And I vow na hindi na ini kag hindi ko na ni pag-atrasan. Bisan isa pa ka sa akong asin nga iwisik-wisik sa akon. Wala man ko gingayuma o kung gin-hypnotize tutuod na gid niya. And this is it. And starting today and the rest of my life, I vow to protect you with all my capacity and strength, to provide your needs physically, emotionally, and above all, spiritually. I'm not a perfect kind of a person, but I will do my best with the help of God. To my wife, Shaira, Mama, Salaon. To my bitotani mo, I will take your love to give me hope, joy, and make me a better man. I vow to always consider your feelings and thoughts as we travel together on this journey. I love you, Shaira. Kamay-kamay naman dyan.
all the covenant that the groom and bride are entering into and establishing this day. These rings are never-ending circles, indicating the continuing and eternal love of God with which you are to love one another. These rings are made of precious metal or gold, one that is not easily tarnished. This represents how valuable and precious your marriage covenant in God's sight. So,
This ring to you as a symbol of my ending love and commitment to you. Today, tomorrow, and always, and forever.
in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Give this ring to you as a symbol of my love, with a pledge to love you today, tomorrow, always, and forever.
In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Palakpakan natin ang Ginoo. In the Christian wedding, the coins are given to the husband, and his acceptance of this symbolizes his taking on the responsibility to be provider as God is to his children. It is life, it is a light to your path. Let this be your guide in your life. Surely you will be blessed and you will be a blessing to others. It is your compass, it is your guide, it is your map. So, ihatag ko na sa inyo, Sam and Shaira.
Polio and Shaira Lapiat, husband and wife. What God has joined together, make no one put asunder. Okay, buksi ang imo daw, pahala ng ulan. Okay, kiss the bride, 10 minutes. Okay, ready? Start. Wait. Sige. 10 minutes. Sige. Ready? 1, 2, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a half, 6 and a half. Sige, matin doon tayo para closing prayer, no?